Good morning, everyone. Today is the 17th of September 2016. I just wanted to give you a quick update on my swing trade here. I entered in at 43 last Friday. Decided to hold on to it. I know it went 50 ticks, I think more than 50 ticks down from my initial, and at that point I had the opportunity to either move it to break even or at least gives me a decision point on how to hold on to it. So I decided not to move my stop. I don't know why though. I mean, I didn't put any other position, but for some reason the P&L between day and open is different. Um, and actually, I kept all the orders in, but I don't know. I guess that's a sim problem there. I still have it at 50.43. That's just one position I put in. Um, unless I goofed up somewhere and order or place an order somewhere and overnight or something. I have no clue. It's just a simulation. I am keeping my the entry at this point. I just moved it to break even plus I guess plus two just in case. So I think my rule was anywhere from a tick to 10 ticks worth. So anyhow, yes. So it's once it's reached, then I have the have a chance to change. Oh, little edit. Once a 20 is reached, then I have to change. Then I have a chance to move break even plus 400 ticks, and then target will not be adjusted. Uh, so the target or all the stops got taken out as soon as I logged off of my machine. I realized so that we get a full solid $1,000 win. Uh, I'll start doing 101 ticks. So anyhow, the current bid right now is bid ask about 80.79. That's the spread. So I don't know why this is has to be a software type problem. But anyhow, I held it overnight over the weekend, and I started thinking about my entry and thinking, hey, this thing might go to the upside and actually put a loser. And actually, it took from 43 to 58, as you can see. It took a little bit of heat there, but so now it's just break even plus one, so it's no longer a losing trade at this point. So hopefully I get something out of this. And maybe I should add something to my rule. If it goes beyond one point, I have to take something, some kind of if it goes near to my target, then I'll lock in 1 to 1. That's I think it's a decent rule. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna edit um, um, once price nears the target, lock in 1 to 1. Otherwise, it will not be adjusted. Otherwise, uh, target will not be adjusted. Okay. So if it goes, I don't know, 95 ticks or something like that, or 92 ticks or something like that, at that point it's very close. It'll be foolish for me to just not take anything. Um, so at least I'll lock in 500. I'll get 1 to 1 on the trade and see how that develops. Because like I said, this is what my second or third swing trade, and I'm still trying to develop some rules around it. Um, so I have to understand which is profitable and which is not. So, because like this one today, I mean, we'll see how this one would pan out. It's gonna, let's see, 49.57. So around here, you might have this thing might hit this area right here for a test. So I think it's gonna start testing all these lows. That's why my target is this is 36. So several ticks from this low, because it could all well be just wait 10 cents right here and start rallying, and you'll find buyers right here 10 cents, 10 to 20 cents below that low. So my entry is not the greatest. So that's why I'm kind of protective of this area here, but it's pretty close. I'm what, almost 20 ticks, a little over 20 ticks above from it. So actually, I'm gonna 20 ticks, about 80. Um, let's see. Yeah, so when it goes 90 ticks, I'm gonna move it to 50 tick win here. So anyhow, that's very close. That's very close. So when it goes to 52, I'll block in 50 ticks. All right, I'll be back. Okay, guys. So I went ahead and moved my my stop is to cover the commission, and I'm just trailing it down. So so far that's um, I moved it because of this rule. So so far, yeah, so far so good. Um, and this is a constant thing that I battle all the time, is that I start deviating from this. So hopefully I don't touch this rule again anymore, and just keep it just the way it is. It's very close. I think there's going to be more selling here, but yeah, like I said, 15 to 20 ticks from it, and it normally just will bounce from there. So yeah, it's very close to this swing here, and I should have known better. I should have just priced it in such a way that, you know, maybe 20 ticks above this high, and then just add $1 from it or something, and see if I could find opportunities there. If not, then there's no trade. If there is, then there is a trade. So that's kind of how I'm justifying some of my entries, is that, you know, I first evaluate if whether I can get my 2-to-1 risk ratio, and then um, based off of that, um, then is when I entered. But I think this one, if I remember correctly, I somewhat chased it. So and which wasn't a good thing. I So that's why my entry was a little poor. That's why I'm a little aggressive on this one. Um, I'm just not really all that used to. I'm not used to going for this kind of, large target. So anyhow, I'm gonna pause the video. I'll come back. Two. Uh, well, that's as exciting as I can get it, guys. The really, I'm just kind of sitting around here doing nothing. So I really want to hopefully capture this on video here. 52. Yeah, it's about 10 ticks. You see that? It's gonna bounce again. I just know it. Uh, 52. Hmm. All right, I'll pause again. I'll come back. So I'm either gonna win 50 ticks here or 51 ticks, or I'm going to win 101 ticks here. So either way, the the odds is in very much in my favor. So can't complain about that. I just have my target. My I think I know might be the issue here. Um, well, no, I don't. Anyways, the only thing that I'm afraid that might happen is that, let's just say, since I'm leaving, I have an order at 42. If it only goes as low as 45, it's possible that it'll stop me out, and then it comes back to my stop, and then it stops me out, and then proceeds to heading down lower, and then now I have a buy order right here at 42. So that's the only thing that I'm concerned of, because since this is not like an OCO order, it's a single entry type. It's a single entry. So that's the only thing that I'm afraid that might happen here, is that I didn't have it as an OCO, and actually I need to start sending the orders in this manner right here. But we'll see. It's getting close. 47. Wow, 5 ticks away. Can you believe this? Alright, well, when it's getting close, you get antsy. So I'm going to pause this video and walk away from my desk. I'll be back. I'm going to go for the worst case here and get stopped out. Unfortunately, I have to go to work, and I don't want the other order to get filled. I didn't put this as an OCO order. So I'll just leave it like that, and if I get taken out right here at 92, then so be it. So be it. At least I locked in 500 ticks, 500 plus ticks, so, or 50 ticks, sorry, 51. All right, well, y'all have a good one. Take care. Hope you're learning something from this video. Hope you're inspired by it. Um, so this is doable if you're doing part-time. So anyhow, y'all have a good one. Take care.